Halo, perkenalkan, nama saya Zahro Laila Nur. Saya adalah seorang guru bahasa Inggris di Sekolah SMP Gula Putih Mataram. Di video kali ini, saya akan mempresentasikan hasil dari video peer teaching saya. Rangkaian kegiatan yang ada dalam video ini adalah bentuk aplikasi dari rancangan pembelajaran yang saya buat, yaitu yang pertama adalah RPP, lalu yang kedua adalah media pembelajaran, yang ketiga adalah materi ajar, lalu yang keempat adalah lembar kerja peserta didik, lalu yang terakhir adalah lembar penilaian. Without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, housewife students, how are you doing there?
I'm good.
I'm good, ma'am. Yes.
Great.
Yeah, what about you, Deta? How are you doing?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing so great today. Nice to Okay, so before we start our lesson today, absent of the class, please, Angga, would you please lead your friends to have a moment of silence? Let's pray together.
Yes, ma'am. Attention, please. Before we study, let's pray together, please.
Okay. Thank you, Angga. And then the next step, untuk terus membangun nasionalisme kita, kecintaan kita terhadap bangsa Indonesia, marilah kita menyanyikan lagu kebangsaan Halo Halo Bandung. Are you ready?
Ready, ma'am?
Ready, ma'am?
Okay. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, go.
Halo,
Kita terus kecintaan kita terhadap bangsa kita Indonesia. Okay, and then I would like to check your attendance, guys. It's supposed to be 26 students. Let me check. There are 24 students only in this room. Okay, Ona is here, and then Rudy is here, and then where are Bambang and Tini? Do you know where are they?
They are sick, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. So there are 24 students here. Before we start the lesson, before you know what is material going to be discussed today, I have some quiz for you.
Okay, students, before we start our lesson today, I would like to give you some riddles, ya, tebak-tebakan. Okay, I have two questions appear on the screen. You can see them. Kamu bisa melihatnya di screen. Siapa cepat, dia yang dapat poin.
Kalian cepat-cepat untuk klik raise hand-nya ya. Nah, I'm waiting for you. Oke, silahkan cepat. Kalau kamu tahu jawabannya, silahkan tekan raise hand-nya. Setelah saya bilang go. Okay, the first question is, what has to be broken before you can use it? What has to be broken before you can use it? Apa yang harus kamu rusak dulu sebelum kamu gunakan itu? One, two, I can hear this guy wondering the answer. Three.
Is
Okay, Sina, do you wanna try?
Is it egg, ma'am? Telur?
Okay, that's great, Sina. Congratulations.
Yay!
Yeah. This is all of your appreciation, yeah. Okay, the next question. David's parents have 3 sons, Nathaniel, and what's the name of the third son? One. Angga, your answer, please.
David, ma'am?
Okay, David, how can you know the answer is David?
Yeah, because David's parents. So, it means that the third one is David.
Okay, good. Ya, itu sudah sangat terlihat jelas terpampang nyata ya di screen ya. Kita sudah lihat. Okay, thank you for your participation. So hopefully you can keep up your spirit today to join my lesson. Okay, let's get started. What you are going to study today is about labels. It's about drug, food, and beverage labels. Okay, next. Ya, di sini Miss akan berikan beberapa tujuan pembelajaran ya.
Adapun beberapa tujuan pembelajaran untuk kegiatan hari ini, yang pertama adalah nantinya saya berharap kalian bisa mengkorelasikan isi teks label obat, makanan, ataupun minuman dengan kebutuhan asupan gizi di kehidupan sehari-hari. Lalu yang kedua, membandingkan beberapa informasi yang ada dalam beberapa teks label makanan, minuman atau obat dengan teliti. Nah, yang ketiga, saya berharap nantinya kamu bisa menilai kelayakan produk sesuai dengan informasi yang ada dalam teks label. Adapun kegiatan-kegiatan pembelajaran yang akan kita lakukan hari ini, saya menyimpulkannya dalam 4 macam bentuk kegiatan. Yang pertama adalah kalian akan mengidentifikasi struktur teks, unsur kebahasaan, dan juga fungsi sosial dari label obat. Hari ini kita akan fokus kepada label obat saja. Ya, untuk materi label makanan dan minuman akan kita diskusikan di pertemuan selanjutnya.
Oke, itu tadi adalah beberapa paparan ya, gambaran untuk kegiatan kita hari ini. Okay, next. I provide you with some pictures here. There are cans of food, a can of beverage, rock. What do you think? Is there anybody wants to give her or his opinion? Anybody wants to give the opinion about the picture?
Gambar. Polosan, mem, itu
There are
Yeah.
food,
There are food,
beverage,
beverage, and
and
drugs
without
without
Berapa kaleng makanan, 1 kaleng minuman, dan 1 botol obat.
obat. Iya.
obat. Iya.
jadi bingung, mem.
Ini
Kalau
kayaknya botol
Botol
obat
ya, Mem.
bekas ya, mem.
Gua nggak ada
Nggak ada
bungkusannya.
bungkusannya.
Tidak ada?
Tidak ada
Tidak
bungkusnya
ada
di
bungkusnya
luarnya.
di luarnya.
Mem.
Oh
Mem.
iya,
Biasanya ada tulisan-tulisannya.
Okay, great. Thank you, everyone. So let's check the second picture out. Okay, this one. What about this? Bagaimana dengan gambar yang
Nah,
Nah, ini
Nah,
ada
ini ada
merek-merek yang
merek-merek
ada
yang-
gambarnya, mem.
Okay, thank you, everyone. Jadi pertanyaan apa nih?
Yang ini ada mereknya, mem.
Okay, Angga, good job. You did very well. Terlihat
Ada
mereknya.
namanya.
Kira-kira hanya ada namanya brandnya saja atau ada informasi yang lain?
Biasanya ada kandungannya, mem.
Oke, Mega rajin baca label berarti ya.
ada cara
Ada
penggunaan.
cara
Iya.
penggunaan.
Oke.
Supaya nggak kadaluarsa, mem.
Iya, tanggal
itu
kadaluarsa
Kalau
juga.
ada luarsa juga, mem.
kita nggak baca ternyata udah tahun lalu ya. Tunggu juga nanti kita beli. Oke, thank you everyone for your opinion.
Nah, tadi sudah ada beberapa opini dari teman-teman kalian tentang label. Setelah ini, beberapa pertanyaan dari saya seperti apa sih sebenarnya fungsi label? Informasi apa saja yang bisa kita dapatkan dari label? Lalu, apakah penting bagi kita untuk selalu membaca label obat, makanan, atau minuman? Nah, setelah ini akan saya tunjukkan sebuah video pembelajaran yang berkaitan dengan label. So, please check the video out.
Okay, so what is label? A label is a kind of text that is used to give details information about a product. Jadi label adalah sejenis teks yang digunakan untuk memberikan informasi detail tentang sebuah produk atau produk ya. Okay, so what are the social functions of labels? Apa fungsi sosial dari teks label ini? Okay, the first one is to choose food or beverage or medicine which is suitable and safe. Artinya adalah untuk memilih makanan, minuman, atau obat-obatan yang cocok dan aman.
Thank you. That's the video about label, penjelasan tentang definisi, social function, structure, information yang ada di dalam label. Di materi ajar yang sudah kirim kemarin. Ini silakan kalian bisa mempertanyakan hal-hal yang menjadi miskonsepsi atau yang kalian bingung dari materi yang I have shown you. Is there any question? Ada yang ingin dipertanyakan?
No, ma'am.
So clear, ma'am.
No?
Clear, ma'am.
Anda? You understand enough?
Yes, ma'am. So far, so good.
Okay. What about you, Rina?
So good.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any question perhaps?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you may ask the question.
Saya bingung, ma'am. Itu di label itu kadang tanggal kadaluarsanya itu nggak ada, ma'am.
Okay. So give me your opinion, Tina. Tina, please
Ma'am.
give your opinion about what happened with Rina. Berikan opini kamu.
Oke, ya. Rina, ya berarti kalau baca label jangan pernah robekin dulu. Ya, nanti takutnya udah dimakan tahu-tahu expired. Iya.
Thanks, Rina, for your question and response. Okay, guys. So, I have one question for Kennedy. Kennedy, are you there?
Yes, Bu.
Okay, Kennedy, from the video that you have watched before, what is the function of label?
Function of label is to inform the customer
About
the product.
Okay, you did very well, Kennedy. Thank you. What about you, Mega? What information, Mega? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mega. One question for you. What information can you find from the label, Mega? Can you mention?
Okay. Based on my experience ya, ma'am ya, ada namanya, ada brand, terus ada apa tuh yang persen-persen itu loh, ma'am, kayak vitamin, terus ada tanggal kadaluarsa itu.
Okay, very good. It's complete enough. Thank you, Mega, for your response. And next, yeah. So I will confirm your comprehension. Saya akan mengkonfirmasi lagi, menjelaskan sedikit lagi tentang label. So what is exactly label? A text used to give information about the product. It is usually put on product. Jadi tertempel ya di setiap case. So this is the example of drug label. There are detailed information about the name of the label, the drug, and then the person who gets this drug and etc. How to use and how to store. And then the example of food label. And then this is the example of beverage label. I am sure that you have read all of the material before, yeah? So guys, perhaps in your study, you will find difficulty. So I also have provided you with a list of difficult words, ya. Jadi misalnya fat free, ini bukan berarti tidak ada lemaknya sama sekali. Ternyata artinya adalah kurang dari 0,5 gram setiap serving. Okay, so this is my short explanation about label. Okay, now let's jump to the next activity. It's a group work. I will divide it into some groups. I will read the names. Okay, I have mentioned all the names here, and I ask you to discussion. Hello. And I'm sending you the LKPD in group chat, guys. So have you found the link of the document in your WhatsApp group?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you open it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. So you may download or you may just open the document to your drive. So I hope you are equipped with the LKPD. Identification of information in drug label. I have provided you with 2 examples of drug label. Don't worry, you will find it in your LKPD. Yeah. So you have to complete the table, the information like the name of the drug, how to store, how to use the drug, is there any expiration date or not on the label. There are 8 information that you have to complete. Ada 8 informasi tabel yang harus kamu lengkapi dari label 5 Is there any question how to do the LKPD?
No, ma'am.
So now it's time for you to go to your group discussion, identify the information from the label, and fill in the table in LKPD for about 30 minutes from now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, you may do the discussion. And don't forget to be back again in this room for the next. Okay, everyone, I think it's enough. I think you have finished with all the identifications with the label. Is it? Have you finished all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So, now, it's time for you to present your group discussion. It's time for you to present your group discussion. Every group will have around 5 minutes to present the results of the discussion. I would like to ini akan menjadi penilaian grup dan juga individual. Bagaimana itu bisa begitu? Dari hasil identifikasi yang tadi, kalian akan mengirimkannya dokumen atau gambar boleh. Jadi, dokumen yang sudah kamu baca tadi dan informasi yang sudah kamu cari, silakan kamu letakkan di dalam tabelnya masing-masing. Ya, silakan kamu edit, boleh, silakan, atau kamu screenshot lembar tersebut lalu kirimkan ke saya. So it's going to be your individual assessment. Itu akan menjadi penilaian individu untuk pengetahuan kalian. And this time you're going to have presentation group. Ya, ini akan menjadi nilai keterampilan. Nantinya kalian bisa mempresentasikan hasil diskusi dengan baik atau tidak. Okay, so is there any group wants to volunteer for the presentation? Oh, Eddie, okay. Your friends are always pointing you, Eddie. Good evening.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. I would like
I
to
would like to
represent my team.
team.
In this teamwork, we have identified isi atau konten dari.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you for all groups you have done with your presentation. I would like to ask one opinion from Rina. Could you please give your opinion presentation, this group presentation? Please give some critique or comment or anything you would like to say for this group.
Ya, oke, ma'am. Masih kurang, ma'am, dalam penyebutan yang ada dalam label itu, seperti barcode-nya itu, ma'am.
You all guys, you did very good presentation today. So perhaps just one that perhaps you have to be more detailed to find the information from the label, because perhaps sometimes mungkin tulisan yang ada di label itu tidak terlalu jelas. So mungkin kita akan sedikit terkecoh, oh tidak ada. But in fact, you can find it in the label. Yeah, you have 15 minutes to do formative test. I'm sending you the link of the test in our WhatsApp group. As usual, you can directly answer the question. There are 5 essays that you have to answer. It's all about the label that we have discussed today. So guys, you may click the link in our WhatsApp group and please finish it in 15 minutes. Is there any questions about the formative test?
No, ma'am. So clear enough, ma'am.
Clear enough, ma'am.
15 minutes, guys, to finish. And thank you for having the formative test. And I think this is the end of our learning today. So before we close the session, I want you to have reflection. Okay, I would like to choose one student. Yeah, Tina, you look so, excited today. So what do you think about our learning activity today, Tina?
Exciting, ma'am. I got a new information about labels. Yeah, especially in reading the drugs labels.
Yeah.
It's very, had a lot of difficult words. So I want to push myself again to know the meaning.
Okay, that's all for today.
Okay, I would like to remind you to prepare an example of food label for the next meeting. Jadi untuk pertemuan selanjutnya kita akan belajar tentang food label.
Anybody wants to get the figure?
Oke nih, ma'am. Okay, guys, and Ma'am Zahro, before we end this meeting, we have to pray to God. Pray begin. Finish. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Megan. All of you. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye guys.
Salam.